How to fix Telegram login problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you solve a common issue with the Telegram app on your iPhone. If you're facing problems with the phone verification process or if Telegram is stuck on loading, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First, once you've unlocked your iPhone, you need to tap on your settings. Once in settings, you need to go to general and then you need to go to iPhone storage. Once you have done that, scroll down until you find Telegram. Once you find Telegram, simply tap on it and here you can see there is an option to offload the app. Once you've offloaded the app, this will clear the cache without deleting your data. Now, let's ensure your data connection is working. Go back to main settings and once in settings, you need to make sure that your internet is working. In order to do that, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure it is working. If not, you simply need to turn on your cellular data and make sure that cellular data is turned on for your Telegram app. Now, finally, after making these changes, it's a good idea to reboot your iPhone. Just hold down the power button and slide the power to turn it off. Once it's turned off, you need to turn it back on. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.